my name is Denis Dodorozhny, aka Greenhead on Discord and GitHub, and today I'm going to talk about the next version of our Oracle Pool, version 2. This new version aims to address some of the drawbacks of the version 1 and introduce several new features to improve its functionality and usability. Let's begin by examining the issues with Oracle Pool version 1. Firstly, the rewards create significant dust as they issue a new box with ERC coins for each data point posted. Secondly, the existing rewards are hard-coded into the contract. Additionally, there are two types of pool boxes that increase complexity in the depth and the contract update mechanism. Finally, Oracle tokens are non-transferable, resulting in the permanent allocation without the ability to change oracles later on. Oracle Pool version 2 aims to address the issues found in the previous version by simplifying its structure and enhancing its capabilities. The new version will feature a single pool address, making it easier to manage and integrate into dApps. Additionally, an epoch counter is introduced, which increments with each data point collection. This allows for more sophisticated dApps to be developed. The pool box now contains a straightforward Guardian contract and separates the logic of pool management, which is captured and stored within the refresh box. The refresh box itself serves as a tool for collecting data points and updating the pool box accordingly, streamlining the overall process. The rewards for oracles will now be given in the form of rewards tokens minted for each pool rather than ERC coins as in version 1. There is no need for a separate funding process. These tokens can be redeemed independently outside of this protocol. Reward tokens are taken from the pool box and directly accumulated in Oracle boxes. During every epoch, Oracle boxes are spent on data point collection, with rewards accumulating in a new Oracle box. This gives us the ability to accumulate rewards while keeping the transaction size similar to when we using them as data points in version 1. Additionally, this allows us to outsource part of the reward logic to the Oracle boxes. Oracle tokens can be transferred between public keys now. So as ballot tokens used in voting for contract changes can be transferred between public keys as well. This diagram illustrates the process of an epoch collection and its key events. During the epoch, oracles submit their Oracle boxes containing new data points. Once the epoch concludes, a refresh transaction is initiated. The refresh transaction spans the pool box, all Oracle boxes from the previous epoch, and the refresh box. The outcome is a newly updated pool box that contains an average data point derived from the valid Oracle inputs. Additionally, reward tokens are added to each Oracle box. Finally, a new refresh box is generated, marking the beginning of another epoch cycle. In version 1, the pool was responsible for rewarding each Oracle for posting a data point with ERC coins. In version 2, the pool simply certifies that a data point was posted. This keeps the contract smaller and more flexible. The certificates are in the form of reward tokens emitted by the pool box. An Oracle can exchange or burn these reward tokens in return for a reward. The contract update mechanism is similar to that in version 1. A threshold number of ballots must be cast for a proposed vote. The logic for updating the pool is stored in an update box, which is identified by update NFT. When you are creating a pool, the following parameters need to be decided. Epoch period is the number of blocks for which the rate is locked in the pool box. Each block is 2 minutes on average. For a fast changing rate, use a shorter value, like 25 blocks for example. Maximum deviation percent is the maximum allowed differences between the first and the last data points in terms of the first data point. Data points are sorted in increasing order. Total oracles is the total number of oracles allowed to post data points. An oracle can post at most one data point at any time. This total number of oracles parameter will be used when minting oracle tokens. Minimum data points is the number of fresh data points needed to refresh the pool box. A data point is considered fresh if it has been posted in the last epoch length blocks. Total ballots is the number of people allowed to vote for a contract's update. In the Bootstrap, the exact amount of ballot tokens will be minted. Minimum votes is the minimum votes needed to update contracts. This is the parameter of the update contract in the update box. Next, find the right number of trusted oracles and ballot holders. Once the parameters are decided, you can create a pool and mint the tokens. The system includes various token types. NFT refers to any token issued in a quantity of 1. The pool NFT is token that identifies the pool box and stored in the pool box itself. Refresh and update NFTs are used for identifying their respective refresh and update boxes. Oracle tokens are minted during the pool bootstrap process based on the agreed number of participating oracles and stored in oracle boxes. Ballot tokens also minted during the bootstrap, enabling participants to vote for contract updates. Lastly, rewards tokens are minted in large quantities and locked in the pool box. They are distributed to oracle boxes at epoch end after collecting data points and updating oracle boxes with earned rewards from that epoch. That's a brief overview of Oracle Pool version 2. We believe that these changes will greatly improve the functionality and usability of the Oracle Pool. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your feedback and participation in the new Oracle Pool version 2.